To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we will also solve one more problem in which we need to calculate the payback period method. So we have total 5 years and first year 6,20,000 is a cash inflow, second year 6,20,000, third year it is 6,20,000, fourth year 6,20,000, but fifth year it is 14,48,000. So this is uneven cash inflow. So we need to solve case 2. In case 2 we have two steps. First step we need to find out the cumulative cash inflow. Second step we need to find out the payback period. They have also given that original original investment or cost of machinery is 20 lakh rupees. So they have invested this 20 lakh rupees. So let us try to solve this problem. So first we need to follow step 1. Step 1 is what? Step 1 says to calculate cumulative cash inflow. So calculation of cumulative cash inflow. So we need to take three columns: year, cash inflow and cumulative cash inflow. So total we have data pertaining to 5 years. So what is the first? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 years is 6,20,000 only. So we will write off first for all 4 years. Next, fifth year, if you observe here, it is 14,48,000. 14,48,000. Now let us try to find out the cumulative cash inflow. First year's you write as it is 6,20,000. Now for this you add next year's cash inflow, that is 6,20,000. So 6,20,000 plus 6,20,000 will be 12,40,000. Now for this 12,40,000 again you add 6,20,000. It will be 18,60,000. For this again you add 6,20,000. It will be 24,80,000. For this again you add 14,48,000. It will be 39,28,000. Now let us first write what is our original investment. In question they have given us original investment. So the original investment is 20 lakh rupees. Now let us check this. So first year are we recovering? No, only 6,20,000. Second year only 12,40,000. Third year 18,60,000. We are not recovering. Fourth year we are recovering 24,80,000, which is more than the original investment. So 1 year before to that, which is third year, will be considered as completed year, because here more we are recovering. When it is more, consider previous year as or completed year. So third year will be our completed year. Fourth year ಅಲ್ಲಿ 24,80,000 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಕೇವಲ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 18,60,000. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now let us solve the step 2. Step 2 is calculation of PBP, means payback period. What is the formula? The formula is completed year plus original investment minus cumulative cash inflow of completed year divided by cash inflow after completed year. after ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ, completed year ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ cash inflow. So what is the completed year? Completed year is 3. So 3 plus what is the original investment? Original investment is 20 lakh rupees minus CCI of completed year. That means cash inflow of completed year. Completed year is 3. So cumulative cash inflow of completed year is 18 lakh 60,000 divided by CI after completed year. So this is completed year. After completed year means next year, which is 4th year. In that CI is how much? 6 lakh 20,000. Now let us try to solve this. So 3 plus 20 lakh minus 18 lakh 60,000 will be 1,40,000. 1,40,000 divided by 6,20,000. So 3 plus 1,40,000 divided by 6,20,000 will be 0.225. So when you add this, it will be 3.225 years. So which means that the amount we are recovering in 3.225 years. Hope you have understood this video very well. If you have understood, please put in the comment box that you have understood. At the same time, if you have any doubts or queries, please post all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.